Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use a demo account on PU Prime. First of all, what I need to tell you is if you go to verification, you need a level 2 ID verification to get access to a demo account. So what we need to do after that, we go to accounts, then click on live accounts and select demo accounts. And then from here, we want to open an account. Then from here we choose demo account, and now we can choose if you want the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. And then after that we want to decide the currency. So I want to choose MetaTrader 5 with the USD currency. Now we like a leverage 201 and we want an account balance for 100k. And then from now we do submit. Then from here you have already a demo account linked to UID. You are about to create an additional account of the same type. Click confirm if you want to continue. We want to continue. Now then they are saying your additional demo account has been set up and you will receive an email with your login details shortly. So now we click on I know, and right now if you can see it, we have a 100k USD demo account active. So from now, if you want to use this, we click on trade. And then right now, if we click here on this icon, we can place a order with our demo account. So this is how you can use a demo account on the PU Prime. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.